Most people get this wrong when trying to activate Peacock with Comcast. They assume it just turns on automatically once they have internet or cable service. But here's the truth no one tells you. If you don't manually activate it through your account, it will never unlock. In this video, you will learn exactly how to activate Peacock with Comcast in 2026, step by step, without confusion, errors, or wasted time. Let's start immediately. First, you need to confirm if your plan includes Peacock. This is where most people fail. Not all Comcast plans include streaming benefits. Some packages offer Peacock Premium for free, others offer discounts, and some offer nothing at all. So log into your Comcast or Xfinity account and go to the Benefits or Entertainment Rewards section. Look for Peacock under Available Streaming Offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if Peacock is included, it is not active yet. You must claim it manually. Click on the Peacock offer and select Activate Now. You will be redirected to the Peacock setup page. But here's the problem. Many users make a mistake here. They go directly to Peacock's website and subscribe normally, which leads to double billing. So make sure you do not choose a paid plan. Instead, look for the option that says Activation through Comcast or Xfinity Partner Access. Now you will sign in or create your Peacock account. Use the same email linked to your Comcast account if possible. This helps ensure the system connects both services correctly. Let's make it real. Alex from New York has Comcast Internet that includes Peacock Premium. He ignores the activation link and signs up directly on Peacock. He ends up paying full price without realizing his plan already included it. That is exactly the mistake you want to avoid. Once you correctly activate it, Peacock will confirm that your subscription is provided through Comcast. You will see that billing is handled by your provider, and your plan shows Peacock Premium included. Now complete your Peacock profile setup. Choose your preferences, parental controls, and streaming quality. After that, your account is fully active and ready to use. If something does not work, try logging out and back in, or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes the activation system takes a few minutes to sync between Comcast and Peacock servers. To summarize, first confirm eligibility in your Comcast plan, then activate Peacock through the Benefits section, then sign in using the correct email, and finally complete setup without selecting a paid subscription. That is it. You now have Peacock activated through Comcast without extra charges or confusion. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere, and subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides like this.